right, let's see if he breaks it.
So it turns out that a 1981 Turbo Trans Am 301 can indeed do a burnout. Well, there you go. 301 Pontiac power, people. There you go. A full carload of hijinks experts here.
I don't know if people understand how to drive this car, but
Okay, well, I'm right here, James. I can hear you. All right, so clutch in.
yes, clutch in.
Here comes reverse.
So now you just went up to the height here.
Oh,
so you find the middle, find the happy medium, right? That's neutral.
Okay.
And then you're gonna pull back, and then up. There's reverse.
You consider that back. I would have considered that forward.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm pulling it towards me.
It's working. We're backing up.
Well, we're just coasting.
We're just rolling back, actually. I
No,
didn't
gravity.
even need to put it in reverse.
It has a gravity reverse.
Okay, so now if I wanted the low set.
So just pull it back to the middle. Now we're in neutral.
And then.
There we go. We're in the low setting.
Okay, all right.
So if you do one of those revers and then dump that clutch, it's probably going to turn tire.
Let's figure out if we're pointed straight first.
Oh, yeah, because it doesn't have the accessories.
Okay.
Power steering accessories.
All right. This is a burnout in a 53 Dodge Coronet with the red Ram
Just
Maybe.
like.
Just dump the clutch hard on that gas. So you're going to want to
So how
rev
much
it.
gas?
Yeah, I mean, well, don't be nice to her. Her name is Ruby, but
Well, like you want me to floor it?
yes, I do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And then pop the clutch.
Dump the clutch.
Wow. Oh, shit.
You have to let off completely off, and then there we go. All right. Yeah.
All right,
Let's turn tire.
Yeah, it does. That was great. That was great. This is a great car. Everyone should get one. Gyromatic, everybody. The Dodge was the red Ram.
Yeah, you can kind of see it.
Which always makes me think of The Shining.
Yeah, I think we
Red
can see that.
Ram. Red Ram.
Holy moly.